So what I might say is say, hey, listen, out of every 100 people that want to do the keto diet, 95% of them don't stick to it, right? Because the keto diet is very strict. We start doing problem solution. The keto diet is very strict. It's hard to naturally get your body into ketosis. And if you're not in ketosis, the diet doesn't really work. So what ends up happening is you just end up giving up foods you love and you're not even getting results. You know, let me ask you, have you ever tried the keto diet and it didn't really work, or it works but you weren't able to stick to it? That's because you have to give up things that you love, so it's not sustainable over a long period of time. I want to introduce you to a different concept altogether. It's called the lazy keto diet. Now, obviously a full keto diet where your body's in ketosis is absolutely best. You can never beat that. But for those of you that are like me, that still like to have bread, you still like to have desserts, when you go out to dinner, you don't want to be sitting there with just a fork and a piece of salad. You want to actually enjoy some meal. You know, there's nothing wrong with a little bread and butter. It's not going to make you, you're not going to gain a bunch of weight. Here's the thing. Here are these supplements. These are keto supplements. You could just mix these in your drink, swirl them around, and drink them. You drink these 2-3 times a day, and it's going to go ahead and keep your body in ketosis even when you're still getting some carbs from time to time. That's why we call it the lazy keto diet. It's for people that really want to do keto, but it's a little too strict. This gives you something that's a lot more sustainable. Now you can actually do this for months, for years, and you can actually lose weight the proper way. You can get in ketosis the proper way by doing it gradually because it's sustainable and you'll actually stick to it. So I put together a video that'll show you what's called the lazy keto method. It'll show you the 5 things you need to do. It's super simple. Anybody can do them. Click the link below. Watch that video. I guarantee you're going to fall in love. There you go.